Hello kids! Let's learn some colors and shapes. Pick a green color, violet color, blue color, light pink color, green color, black color, brown color, dark green color, pink color, orange color, sky blue color, red color, yellow color. Yellow color. Oval, 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 yellow color. Red color. Trefoil, trefoil. Trefoil, red color. Sky blue color. Parallelogram, parallelogram. Sky blue color, dark green color. Crescent, crescent, dark green color. Brown color. Octagon, octagon. Brown color. Green color. Hexagon. Hexagon, green color. Blue color. Heart. Heart, blue color. Pick a green color. Arrow. Arrow. Pick a green color. Pink color. Star. Star. Pink color. Oval, trefoil, parallelogram, crescent, octagon, hexagon, heart, arrow, star. Yellow color, red color, sky blue color, dark green color, brown color, green color, blue color, pick a green color, pink color. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video.